trade again. I don't. This is much better.
And you can't return it.
No. All right, let's talk about this ring. Another striking beauty. I will say this, the Hot Pick, I'll hold it right next to it. You can see the difference. By the way, the Hot Pick is a lot thicker in profile that you'll notice. So this is a little bit more of a flush ring against the skin, but my gosh, it's like stippled gold when you look at it. It's J27744, and it's $49.75. It did sell out in its debut, and again, we just now got more of them back in. From side to side, 3/4 of an inch. Up and down, we're talking about 1/2 an inch. Profile shot is going to show you just a slight doming on it, but very, very slight. It does taper down the back, but it is one continuous movement of glitter. It's like a golden glitter ring.
It's finished all the way through, all around, and it tapers slightly in the back, and it becomes a little bit concave in the back and slightly domed, as you said, in the front. And we combined these two finishing. One is the edge that is high polished, and the other one is the pavé finishing on the top of it that makes it glitter so much as if it were
those
made
like yellow diamonds.
Yes.
It's like canary yellow diamonds on there. I'm sorry, go ahead.
No, it's I think
to interrupt you and finish what you're
I love
trying
it.
to say.
I really like this ring because it's one of those rings that are not too thick or heavy for those women who really like lightweighty jewelry because they really can't wear it all day long otherwise. But it makes a statement. I mean, it's stunning from far. It's very comfortable. It's very soft touching it, even if it's all diamond cuts, and it really catches the attention anyway. So you don't always need to have thick and heavy pieces of jewelry to feel complete, to feel elegant, to feel stylish. This is one of those rings that are just they just become part of your hands.
Yeah, but I don't know if this is wrong to say, but how yellow it is. It's so yellow. I mean, it's like you captured a drop of the sun and put it on your hand. This looks plugged in. It's beautiful. The way that they did the finish on it to make it look the paving that Letizia talked about. They pavé the gold. So